According to its most recent financial announcement, online trading platform Robinhood posted crypto trading revenue of $31 million in the second quarter, down 18% from the $38 million in the first quarter. The $193 million in trading revenue across all categories in quarter 2 represented 16% of the $31 million in cryptocurrency trading income, which experienced a 7% sequential fall. The company also reported having had $11.5 million in crypto assets under custody, the same amount as was held at the end of the first quarter. All tokens listed as securities in the SEC litigation brought against cryptocurrency exchanges Binance and Coinbase were no longer supported by Robinhood as of June 1st. Those tokens were Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. The trading platform currently offers trading for 15 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, DogeCoin, and Avalanche. Overall, for the second quarter, Robinhood reported earnings per share of $0.03 on revenue of $486 million, ahead of analyst estimates for a loss of $0.01 per share on revenue of $473 million. Robinhood share prices, which are up 54% this year, fell 7.5% to $11.5 in after-hours trading Wednesday.
Regardless of any future approvals for exchange-traded funds, MicroStrategy co-founder Michael Saylor is certain that his company will continue to be a compelling option for investors to obtain exposure to Bitcoin. Additionally, he has affirmed that his company intends to keep adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet, possibly with the money from proposed $750 million share offering. When asked on August 2nd by Bloomberg how an authorized spot Bitcoin ETF may affect the product offered by his company, Michael Saylor expressed his confidence that MicroStrategy would still be able to provide something that spot Bitcoin ETFs cannot. He made similar comments during the August 1st earnings call, saying that MicroStrategy will still be differentiated as particular Bitcoin operating strategy when spot ETFs arrive. He said that his business employs leveraged investment to produce returns that are then distributed to shareholders, noting that the price of Bitcoin has increased by 145% since the company began its purchasing strategy in August 2020. Saylor, on the other hand, asserted that spot Bitcoin ETFs will enable major sovereigns and hedge funds to enter the market with billions of dollars. According to Fintel, the company has more than 470 institutional shareholders and a market value of $5.3 billion. On August 2nd, experts increased the likelihood of a spot Bitcoin ETF being approved in the US to 65%. When asked how much their current holdings of 152,800 Bitcoin will expand in the upcoming quarters, Saylor responded that the objective is to accumulate as much as Bitcoin as we can.
When it comes to maintaining high degree of uptime and reliability, which reaches almost 100%, the Bitcoin Lightning Network node operators find centralized cloud services highly reliable. As per the mempool space data released on August 2nd, approximately 48% of all Bitcoin Lightning Network nodes are hosted by major centralized cloud service providers, namely Amazon Web Service and Google Cloud. Approximately 29% of Bitcoin Lightning Network nodes are deployed on AWS, while 19% are hosted on Google Cloud. Bitcoin's network comprises nodes operated by miners from all over the world. This contrasts with the more centralized approach taken by Google Cloud and AWS. Despite mining farms and pools being a dominant in mining activity, thousands of individual Bitcoin miners are distributed across the globe. That the Bitcoin Lightning Network is powered by nodes deployed primarily on Google Cloud and AWS raises awareness of an inherent challenge within the Lightning Network architecture. While the Lightning Network facilitates off-chain Bitcoin transactions through channels enabling nearly instant settlements and lower fees, node operators must maintain a constant online presence to execute these transactions. Both parties must be online in the Lightning Network to initiate transactions for the smart contracts to update. If one party does not respond, they may lose the funds in the channel. Many node operators use centralized cloud services like Google Cloud and AWS to avoid this. As of August 2nd, the collective capacity of the Bitcoin Lightning Network has exceeded $138.4 million in Bitcoin, facilitated by a network encompassing over 15,500 individual nodes. Meanwhile, more coins are being tokenized and moved to smart contract platforms like Ethereum or the BNB chain for more yield via decentralized finance. Dune Analytics data reveals more Bitcoin has been transferred to Ethereum and even less locked in Bitcoin Lightning Network nodes. That's it in today's special segment. For more such updates, follow 3.0 TV or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.